or headband wigs have become so popular over the last year or so, and they can be very versatile. So here's a little video on one half wig, but 3 different styles. So if you've ever wondered,
what can I do with this half wig?
This is a video for you. Let's get started. So I just have her on. I left baby hairs out, and you can see I just have my headband over it. So I did add some sort of just like a sideburn situation, just because I could pull this down and it wouldn't be an issue. But I'm hard of hearing. I'm deaf in one of my ears, so I don't like to obstruct my ears because then I can't hear. I already can't hear, so but I feel like you could do something like this with her. The color's just so stunning. It's got sort of like a reddish situation in it. I feel like, so I'm gonna put her up. I had her up earlier, and I'm gonna put her up so you can see what I mean in terms of like, this is how I was wearing her earlier. So let me style her for a minute and then I'll come back. As you can see, I absolutely love this. I put it half up, half down in a pony. It's so comfortable. This is definitely in my long-term collection. I think I'm really falling in love with half wigs. So I got Violetta at Glamour Trust for $19.94. Also, I want to try, and let's just do one more little style.